AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty Exam Project Ideas. Hi, and welcome to AWS Julie. In previous videos, I talked about building projects while you're preparing for your AWS certifications, and I've added cards if you want to check those out. In this video, let's move on and talk about project ideas for the AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty Certification Exam. The first time I took this exam, I was just hired as an AWS training architect at Linux Academy. And for this, my projects were a bit sporadic. My focus was implementing enhanced networking into my current project builds. I jumped around a lot and I struggled a lot, but I really did learn so much. A few project ideas that I completed for hybrid networking were configuring a site-to-site VPN, directory services, and direct connect. And these were tough for me to implement. But when I created the AWS exam prep course for this certification, my amazing lab developer created an AWS Builder Lab designed to give you hands-on experience with Direct Connect. I'm not sure if it's still live on AWS Skill Builder. Directory services was also tough for me to implement. I spent a lot of time in Route 53 and understanding the different routing priorities, BGP path selection, and how local preference and multi-exit discriminator are useful in AWS. I implemented DNSSEC using Route 53. I added WAF rules, groups, filtering, and more. I also ensured that I added to my disaster recovery plan to ensure resilience for my AWS network. And as a substitute for an on-premises site, I configured a separate VPC as my on-premises, and I spent a lot of time configuring Transit Gateway, adding traffic mirroring, and more. Overall, adding to my infrastructure was a struggle for this exam preparation, but building projects helps me prepare for these AWS certifications. These projects really help me practice failing and improving, understand the actual depth needed for the different exams, and build on top of previous projects to continually learn all the things, keep evolving, and make improvement on my architecture. I would love to hear about projects that you have built or are building to prepare for your AWS certifications. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope to see y'all again soon.